Alright gang, it's the best day of the year. It's Timewell Lions Club tractor drive day. Everybody's firing up. Listen to that Oliver, sounds awesome. Anyway, it's exciting. I love doing videos of this, so I hope you guys enjoy these. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know below, after you watch the video, what your favorite tractor in this parade is. Because there's going to be some beauties. Alright, guess we're going that way today. So, I'm going to walk that way. It's this beautiful 50. Got himself a seat for his wife. It's a good move. You can both go out and have a good time. Cool. We got a delay here. I'm gonna pause for a second. Alright, here we go. I think we're gonna go around the block and parade in front of the building, so that might be my better opportunity. But we're still gonna get them all leaving. Another beautiful Oliver. And the Silverado snuck itself into the parade. Alright, here we go. Got a Case 930. That's very nicely restored. Look at this Super 88. Boy, that's a beauty. It's kind of over here in the shade, so the colors aren't popping so good on the camera. I'm going to try to get a better angle. 630. This 430, I want one of those so bad. I love a John Deere 430. I think they're just neat tractors. 3010. He's got a mud flap on the back of his, behind his tricycle front. Oh yeah, listen to that go. That's awesome. Look at this Ford 6000. That's a nice one. The old 190 XT. Very cool. Wife's got her a nice seat back there. Oh, look at this. Beautiful. All right, here we go with the 1206. How cool is that? Yeah, those kids are living the dream. WD-45. Man, that's a beauty. You're gonna hear me say that a lot. Love the H. Oh, two really great H's right in a row. Nice. Now we've got us a 560 Farmall. Check out this 1150. I was hoping he was going to go on the parade. I really wanted to hear it. It's awesome. Back up. He's a little big to get in the frame. Man, that's cool. Wow. Alright. Okay, look at this. Yeah. You never know what you're going to see. That's cool. Yeah. Yeah, the old 1855 Ollie had to get a little bit of a jump, but I think he's going now. So we're gonna pause until he gets here. All right, here they come. Here comes the round two. Well, those Olivers just sound good. Just a good sound to them. Boy, it's a beauty. All right, here we go. We got a 4020 coming. I have way more experience than I want on a John Deere 4020. Oh, it's hot, and my camera is telling me that it's hot.